All right, what's going on? Happy Friday. We made it. Market opens real soon. Um, I would be very surprised if we can bounce from here up till that like VWAP area. We'll see though. Been pretty brutal drop, so I don't really have anything to the downside charted because I don't have any data below where we're at right now. But that's where we're at. Alright, market opens. What's that mean? Not a whole lot. How you doing? I'm chilling, man. Friday, you know? I think I might go for a run later. Freaking nice. You gonna skate? Do a Christ air down a 10 stair or something. Not really. It's moving pretty aggressively. Pick up 100 points off the open. I was actually kind of expecting a little bit of bounce on the open. See if we reject around that like 275 to like, Jesus Christ, the ranges are crazy. 275 to like 325. That's where the VWAP is. I don't know. I'm kind of just trying to be patient. I'm close to passing these accounts, so I'm not really trying to like risk a whole lot. But if I could just hit like a quick 40 points, that would be great, because that would do it for me. I don't know, I'll just try to maybe look for like something that looks like a high probability little scalp that I can get if it presents itself.
Like the 50% bid at like 250 around that area. I don't really have anything else until pre-market low, which crazy to say is like 400 points below.
Yeah.
I think I like it to the downside, but break of like that pre-market high of like 260 or so, you gotta get out.
I knew the shit was about to go down, and my man was like hyping it like, everywhere it go. Me and OB together.
I'd like it here to the
Be
downside.
like, watch, I'm telling you, when my man get on, it's gonna be some shit. We ain't gonna have to sell this shit no more. I'm telling you. And the nigga just got moped out like that, man. That shit fucked me up. That shit fucked the whole lot of niggas. Yeah, man. I love that nigga O2. That was.
Yo, what's going on?
Could be a nice long if you can break that 250 area though. Close above it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, especially how aggressively it price dropped from like 600, 18,600 all the way down to there. It might rally through that area pretty quick. Looks like it's heading down though. Yeah, like my zones and stuff in this volatility, they're so massive. It's like 100-point zones.
Yeah, definitely.
Kind of annoying. I'm like, oh, realistically, I'm not gonna take like a trade with like an 80-point stop or something.
This is how it was like 2-3 weeks ago or something.
Yeah. Might be able to do something.
Come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. The Texas sun, okay. Texas sun, caressing you from Fort Worth to Amarillo. Come on, roll with me till the sun dips low. Texas sun, Texas sun, oh girl. Texas sun,
Looking for a potential bounce around like 50, 1850, 1860, somewhere in there. See if we get some sign of a bounce. Or if we break that level, look for more downside.
Yeah. A couple of bounces around that area
Yes, sir.
in the pre-market.
If we break that though, I would not be surprised to see like pre-market low. If we break below like 840, somewhere in there.
Texas sun, Texas sun. You say you like the wind blowing through your hair. Well, come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. Texas sun, Texas sun. Oh, baby, you're so gorgeous. How about you and me? Take a little trip in the big body. Take a ride with me, babe. You by my side. How does it sound? You and I. Oh, girl. Take a ride with me, babe. You by my side. How does it sound? You and I. Baby, oh. She was surrounded while she was alone. And in my house become less of a home. She was so tired, but her eyes remained open. So much to say, but her words remained
I try a little long scalp down there. We'll see.
for my mind will hold in no peace. Rita carried so much
Ooh, we got real close to the profit.
What's too late?
125 or something you need?
Exactly. Ooh, wow, how did it not hit it? I don't know if I'll get it. I just tapped off of it and yeah, it stopped me out for break even. I raised my stop once it. That's crazy. It touched it like twice and didn't fill me. I didn't really want to hold it though. I just wanted to see if I could get a quick scalp off that zone. But I don't feel confident in holding that.
Yeah, good thing you didn't.
Yeah, once it started moving in my direction, I was like, I know this is counter to the trend, so I just raised the stop. But damn, that was it. It touched it.
That was close.
It literally wicked it like twice. Maybe like a point off. That's frustrating. I thought that was it. I thought it was gonna do it for me.
She's gone. She won't wait for you in your next life. Love, she's gone. She ain't coming back in your lifetime. She's gone. She won't wait for you in your next life.
Yeah.
The link.
So up like 150 points. Yeah, it swings pretty crazy.
I don't really know how to trade that.
Stay forever, stay forever. Feel like heaven when I'm kissing on your roll, kissing on your roll, kissing on your rose-colored lips. Baby, let's go. Slide out to a place no one knows. Only dreaming all night. Who cares? Let's get lost in the flow. I love the way we spend the time running through your feet. The way we play in your chocolate leaves. You stay forever, you stay forever. It feel like heaven. Whoa.
Apple's trying to go up. Nvidia, Tesla going down.
Kissing on your roll. Kissing on your rose color. Kissing on your rose color.
Tried a short there and got stopped out again for a break even. Same thing. I just get so close to my take profit and I raise or lower my stop. And that would have hit it right. Well, I guess not quite. We'll point off. Yeah, I don't know. Still like it potentially, but I just don't like the risk in these market conditions. Feels like I have to risk too much.
Feels very 50-50 here.
Yeah. Almost like a little bull flag on that move. The 1 minute.
We know hell's on the horizon. We can see it from the start. We put ourselves on the line 'cause we don't want to be ignored. I can't explain why I want for you more, but the more
Wow. I would have appreciated that drop when I took a short.
Yeah.
It just chopped me out. And then here it drops like 100 points in a minute.
What was your price entry?
My entry was like 50, 150, somewhere up in there, 152. My stop was above those little swing highs at like 180. It's like 30 points of risk.
Was that before it went to almost 200 or after?
That was before. Yeah, I lowered my stop once it went into profit, and one of those little bounces up stopped me out for break even.
Yeah, it's just so rangy.
Yeah. I just figured like with that range, even if I could just catch like 40 points, that's all I need. Instead, I just keep getting stopped out for very small wins. But I would rather get stopped out for break even than take like an oversized loss. Not that 30 points is super crazy, but that definitely would have hit my stop. That little spike up, it like, you know, took out stops and then went down. I think it was just waiting for that. Little liquidity sweep. Now it's dropping like a fly. Crazy. Whoa. What was that? Something happened. Trump say something. Tariffs were a joke. April Fools. Wow, that was a pretty aggressive push higher. Yeah, I don't know. Safe to say, I might not know what the fuck is going on today.
Bipolar.
I don't know.
Yeah, that wick is pretty crazy. I'm gonna go long here, risking off low day. 200 points.
And I'm targeting 220. I think we can get a 20-point push. Fuck.
Like if you zoom out, like that's what I would be thinking. Like get in around here, risking off low day, aiming for maybe like 500. But if you think about it, that's like 300 points. That move pre-market at like 6 a.m. would have been nice.
Mm-hmm.
I wish that would happen like during the market. Woodley's gonna come in. Yeah, I got along close to 18,000.
Yeah.
Low day.
I saw a reverse Charizard barbecue on the chart.
Sold it for a little over 200 points.
Just a little upside down inverse macaroni and cheese salad.
Value gap. Salad value.
A fair value macaroni and cheese. It's pretty evident if you guys didn't see that around 550. I love food. I like that.
He's been killing it though.
Yeah.
He's been doing good lately.
The ICT shit, there's something to it. I just can't get into it for some reason. I tried. I feel like there's too much things to pay attention to. I'd get lost in it. But I see a lot of people do really well with it.
Ways to look at it.
Yeah.
That's fair value gap on the 5 minute. Oh, but what about the 30 minute? Like a lot of conflicting ideas based off time frame.
I changed my chart colors, by the way.
To what?
White and black. Pretty fly, actually. My volume profile's purple, too. My background's black. Here. I'll send a picture.
Screenshot.
Yar.
What's your background?
It's just black, essentially.
But your candles are black.
Yeah, but they're outlined in white. It's pretty fresh, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll throw it in the trade check. I don't even know how you did that.
It's wild.
I dare you to take a trade off. If you hit a winning trade off that chart, I'll double your profit. That's what my 5 minute looks like. I got the VWAP and then volume profile.
Looks clean.
I like it.
It just looks like somebody vomited.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like a little kid's doodle or something. Oh man. I don't know what's going on, but they will not open the mountain bike trails. It's pissing me off. It hasn't been raining or anything. I don't understand.
It'll be.
They were open not that long ago because I was there. I saw people doing it. I don't know what's changed since then.
Yeah, now it's just into like giant chop.
Yeah, I don't know if I love it.
Stuck in this rain. It's crazy. Just trading the range is like 200 points. Yeah, at this point, I think the only thing I'd like would be a break of this range. And hopefully continue. That's about it. Trading in the middle here is just gambling.
Still here dancing after all this time. Wildflowers and wine.
Well, now we have a reverse pterodactyl. We got a negative pterodactyl I'm seeing. maybe a possible. Does it break to the downside now? Or does it remain in this range? Pretty crazy, it's just been oscillating like 200 points in a range. That's pretty wild. Like a wide range for it just to be swinging around.
Sunshine on me, you call my name, I won't come right back, darling. I ran, escaped, and felt the deep sea save me. Don't search, don't chase, just let the sunshine on me.
Yeah, looks like some break low there.
Let it stay,
There it is.
wanna fade out. Let it break, let it play on. See it's made when the day is fading. Daffodils when the summer comes. Why do you stress when it blooms for you? Yellow birds dancing in the sun. Love is testing when it's true. Daffodils when the summer comes. Why do you stress when it blooms for you? Yellow birds dancing in the sun. Love is testing when it's true.
Oh my god, wow.
What's up?
Oh no, I'm playing Marvel Rivals.
Okay, never mind. That's funny. I thought you were talking about the. I was like, did you take a trade or something?
Nice drop.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing it come up and retest. Oh, if we're gonna get that though.
I want to see this fall from here. If it comes back up, I don't understand this market.
This might just be the get everybody to blow their accounts market. Just like very erratic and volatile. I don't hate a lower high here. Just the ranges are so wide, I don't know where I really would look for it. Somewhere above like 860, somewhere around there. Maybe 880, 1880.
My love, we used to move you. My love was always on your mind. Now you just look right through me, treat me like a ghost. So you don't need to tell me that you already let go. My love, my love. Oh. 'Cause I know I don't get you high no more. You don't need me like you did before. Your hands, they're fine without me. Your lips don't care if I come.
Nice. I caught that little move off the bottom of my zone.
I was your favorite flavor.
Oh, we did it.
Lose my taste. Funny how time
Got the challenges. Finally got a little scalp that worked.
my love.
It's insane how it's moving, dude. 50 points in like a minute. Alright. I don't know if you're there, brother, but I'm done for the day.
I don't know if you can hear that, but alarm's going off, so I muted myself.
My bad. No, I didn't hear anything.
You don't hear that?
Mm-mm.
Oh yeah, the fire alarm's like really loud. I guess my mic is.
Oh, I hear it now. I just heard it. What'd you do?
turned off.
Are you freaking smoking in your house, dude? You smoking bones in your house, bro?
I think they're just testing the alarms. Really?
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I've been fiending. I've been wanting to come to Florida so bad. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Our weather's been getting nicer here. It was like 85 and humid yesterday, and I was like, oh, this feels like some beach weather. Want to see palm trees and like see the ocean, not suburbia. I don't know, man. It's like going to a grocery store in this weather
Do
feels.
it while you can.
Do I? What do you mean? Is it disappearing? The ocean level's rising. I want to. I have, yeah, like I said, my family down in Naples. I want to visit them before long, so We'll see. We'll see what we can do. I just have to make it work with my work schedule. I don't know. What is my work schedule? Is your schedule set, or is it like it kind of varies week to week?
It kind of varies.
Next week, I don't really have a lot of time off. The week after, I have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday off. Ooh. All right, my friend. I'm peace out.
All right, man. Yep.
Come back on Monday with some PAs and try not to blow it. No, I've been doing better. We're on fucking get a payout, man. Take it easy. Have a great weekend, man.
Yeah, man. You too.